Good morning. It is tip number 68. Constitution of India. Our Constitution of India is by bag of borrowings. Bag of borrowing from so many other constitutions. You know, when Dr. Ambedkar was defeated, but initially he was elected when Constituent Assembly election was between consolidated India, Pakistan and India. But when Pakistan people wanted separate country, then again Constituent Assembly for a separate India was conducted and Ambedkar was defeated. But however, a friend from West Bengal resigned his post and allowed Ambedkar to be re-elected, and he went there and he was the drafting committee chairman. Why? Because the reason was he was an accommodative. Other leaders, even though other Constituent Assembly members are very well learned persons, but they indulge in freedom struggle. Therefore, the 100% Constitution may not be there. But since Dr. Ambedkar had every knowledge about other democratic system prevailing when India became independent. So one thing is there. See, what all are the countries from whom we borrowed a constitution were United Kingdom, United States of America, Australia, Ireland, Canada. We have borrowed from that constitution which all are suitable for Indian circumstances and aspiration. Theory of fundamental law, concept of written constitution is from United States of America. Philosophy of parliamentary sovereignty is from United Kingdom. Parliamentary form of government, UK, bicameral legislature, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. President as a constituent of the state, cabinet and prime minister also rule of law. This is from UK. Federal structure, distribution of subject matter of legislation from Canada. Strong center, vesting residuary power in center. Concurrent list from Australia. Directive principle of state policy from Ireland. Also the electoral college in the election of president. Nomination of persons having experience in science or fine arts to Rajya Sabha have been borrowed from the Constitution of Ireland. This electoral college system is being followed in our Bar Council elections, so that every corner of state advocates be represented in the Bar Council election. Power of President, positional duties of Vice President, United States of America. So initially when American Constitution, very short Constitution, written, they failed to earmark the duties of the Vice President. So George Washington was the President of United States of America when they declared independence, and Thomas Jefferson was Vice President. When reporters asked what was your duty in this government, Thomas Jefferson said, I will rise in the morning and I will a ring to President office. I will inquire from his secretary whether President is alive or not. If he say he is alive, I will go to sleep. So that sarcastic comment of Thomas Jefferson was brought to the knowledge of Constitution, Congress. The Parliament of America is called as Congress, and they have given some power to Vice President also. Then you see a preamble to the Constitution is model of American Declaration of Independence, United Nations. Organization and independence of Supreme Court, including judicial review, it is from United States of America. Advisory opinion of the Supreme Court is from Canada. Fundamental rights is from USA. Fundamental duties from Russia, United Soviet Socialist Republic. Trade and commerce from Australia. Formation of alteration government from Italy. Amendment of the Constitution is from United States of America. Single citizenship is from Canada. Procedure established by law is Japan. Emergency provision from German Reach and Government of India Act 1935. Best wishes.